I am His Royal Majesty Ọba Professor John Akíntọ Akíntọlá Fágbọdún Olúmọ méjì third Alápà of Okin-Apa in Sùúrùlérè local government of Ọ State. We emanated from Ọbàlùfọ family in Ile-Ife. That has been our ancestral origin. We are from Ọbàlùfọ family in Ile-Ife. You know that in those days, when it was time for people to move, in order to expand territory, they would consult Ifa oracle. It was Ifa divinity that was in place then. When people from our own section consulted Ifa oracle, Ifa directed them that they should move out and settle wherever they see peacock. Peacock, that's our Okin, Okin. And people may not even know the meaning of Alápà. I've explained that many times to people. Our forefathers, our ancestral father, was a wealthy person in Ile-Ife, in Ọbàlùfọ family. He used to have a royal stool embroidered with beads, and that thing was called Apa. So people then started calling that man Baba tó ń fi Apa jókòó, the man that sits with Apa. Later, as a result of contraption, it becomes anything low Apa. And finally it becomes Alápà, the owner of Apa. Well, we are many. We have many Alápàs around the world, and notable among them was the Alápà of Ọ at Agboró-Ọdẹ, Kwara State. Another one is Alápà of Ọ, Kwara State. We have Alápà in Badagry, Alápà of Ọ in Badagry. We have one very close to Ilé-Ifẹ, Ìtafọ. I am Alápà of Okin-Apa here. We have another one in Ìlọrọ-Èkìtì. So we are many. God has assisted Ọbàlùfọ family through Alápà lineage to have captured and settled down on so many territories.
Èmi ni Òkúnlọ́lá Oyèwálé, Alápà nísàlẹ̀ Ọ̀rá. Mo sì jẹ́ ọmọ ọba, ọmọ bíbí inú Oyèwálé. Láti ìgbà tí bàbá mi ti ń bẹ lóyè ni wọ́n ti pa ní ìtàn pé ìdílé mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta níbi báyìí wọ́n ti ìyá wa ti sọlẹ̀ sí. Níbẹ̀ là fi ń jẹ́ Okin-Apa. Wọ́n sì a lọ wájú a lọ ẹ̀yìn a tó padà s'Okin-Apa ìdílé mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta. Ìtumọ̀ tí àjòjì fi bá ní dé ìlú Ọ̀kín, wọ igbó Ọ̀kín, igbó Àpà yìí, ó ní ìtumọ̀. Ìtumọ̀ rẹ̀ ni pé ọmọ àlè, ọmọ ọkọ àmọ́ ọmọ àlè tó bá ní wọbẹ̀ kò ní dúró. Ìnáwó bàbá wa fi ṣe ní òfin wípé àjòjì kì í bá ní gbé igbó Ọ̀kín. Ní bí mo ṣe wà báyìí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe jókòó báyìí wá pé kẹ́ ẹ ká lójúbọ ní jẹ́ ẹ̀dẹ́bẹ̀. Torí pé ó ti di àtìrandíran baba ńlá wa. Ó sì ní iye ojú àwọn tí wọ́n wọbẹ̀ tí wọ́n máa bọ lọ́dọọdún. Èmi tí wọ́n ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí mọ́jọ́ kan pé lọ́dọọdún lèmi máa ìwọ̀n gbùrùgbá onígbọ́ tẹ̀lé mi táfi wá bọ Okin-Apa. Inú oṣù kẹsàn-án ṣẹ̀kẹ̀wá la sì máa bọ.
Ọdún tó ní kìmí ni tó jẹ́ kókó ọdún nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, torí ibi tí wọ́n ti ṣẹ̀ wá wọn ò gbọ́dọ̀ fọdún lẹ̀. Kápá ṣe Alápà lọ́la á ti kọ́ bọ̀gùn. Nígbà bá bọ̀gùn tán láàtò lọ gbòòyà Alápà. A sì rí pé láti bàtà ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ kínní kò hún wá. Ọdún tó ń gorí ọdún ni tọdún yìí tiẹ̀ ọkà mọ̀mọ́.
Ẹni tí ń bẹ ní Àbújá, ẹni tí ń bẹ ní Ghana, ẹni tí ń bẹ ní Takoradi, ẹni tí ń bẹ ní Afrajó, ẹni tí ń bẹ ní Sokoto, gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Alápà àgbàdo á sì dáṣọ. kábíyèsí wa tí ń bẹ bí báyìí Ọlọ́run jọ̀ọ́ gùn lẹ́mìí ó mú un lákòókò dùn gidi gan pé ọdọọdún tí wọ́n bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí í wáṣu iṣu náà ni a fi ṣe kókó ọdún tí wọ́n á fi bọ ìyá ọ̀kín ìyá Alápà.
Initially, before the Fulani War, we all settled down there. But when there was Fulani War, so many nations moved to Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́, and that's why we refer to Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ as conglomerate of nations. So many homestead and nations moved to Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ to face Fulani War. So when we then left here in 16th century, we settled in 3 places in Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́. 3 brothers, each with his own family, settled in Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́. The first one was Mokudeola. That one settled at Tara area in Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́, and that is where I have emanated from. The next in age settled at Italasa. So we have another family house at Italasa, Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́, and the third one at Alápà. That one is at Bameke, very close to Saja. It was because of lack of space when we moved to Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ that separated us. But now that we have returned to our homestead, we are one and one family. So that is the brief history of Alápà. So our people, when they were consulting Ifa told them that we should settle wherever we see people. So when my people got to around this area, they saw a lot of people and they settled down there. The Alápà at Agboda, we call them Alápà Kín-Àpà. Epo in Yoruba, that's where they produce palm oil. When those people were moving through the thick forest, they got to a palm plantation where squirrel had eaten a lot of palm fruit there, and it represented Epo. So those people settled down there. And I still want to say that there is interaction and good relationship between all the Alápà monarchs and Alápà sons and daughters, both in diasporas and in this country.